everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Boruto Set 7, Ohnoki's Will, on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back. Here's a zoom in of that, and the zoom in on that. And then there's the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. Same as on the back. Open it up, you get disc 1 with episodes 80 to 86, and disc 2 with episodes 87 to 92. And then you take this out, and you get Boruto. And you take this out, and you get Mitsuki. So this has been Boruto Set 7, Ohnoki's Will, on Blu-ray. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.